Okay, hi fabulous fourth graders. This is Module 3, Lesson 2. We did a little bit of this in class today, but listen carefully so that you can do your homework tonight. Okay, our learning target for this lesson is that I can apply the area and perimeter formulas for rectangles in real world and mathematical problems. Okay, we've been talking about these formulas in class for the last couple of days, so you know these. The area is the length times the width, and the perimeter is just adding up all of the sides of the rectangle. And there's a couple of ways to write the perimeter formula. You can also do length plus width times 2, or you can go 2 times the length plus 2 times the width, which is all exactly the same thing. Okay, this looks a lot like the rectangle we built in class today. And so if our rectangle was 1 inch wide and 3 inches, then we can say that it's 3 times as long as it is wide. And we can say that it's 3 inches here. And so then think about what the area would be. So remember area, I'm going to put a multiplication sign right on this corner. Area is the width, that is 1 inch, times the length, which is 3 inches. And so our area for this rectangle would be 3 square inches. So in this rectangle, it is 3 inches wide, and then we can say it's 3 times as long as it is wide because we have 3 one time, 2 times, 3 times. So it's 3 times as long as it is wide. Okay, here we're going to draw a rectangle, and it's 2 meters wide. So let's do. So I have it 2 meters wide, and then it says it is 3 times as long as it is wide. So I'm going to go 2 meters, 2 meters, 2 meters, 3 times. So that'll be 2 plus 2 plus 2, so that would be 6 meters. So how would I find the area? My width times my length, or my length times my width. So I can say that this is, the area of this rectangle is 12 square meters. Okay, the area of my rectangle is 42 square centimeters. Its length is 7 centimeters. And its width, we don't know, so we're going to put an X there. Okay, but I do know my area, and it's 42 square centimeters. Okay, so I'm just going to plug that into my formula. Okay, so 7 times 6 is 42, 7 centimeters. Okay, from the last A problem, it says Charlie wants to draw a second triangle that is the same length, but it's 3 times as wide. So here is remember my top one is my length, that's 7 centimeters, but it's 3 times as wide. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I just drew Charlie's second rectangle. Okay, and if I could figure this out, 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters. So I could figure out both the area now and the perimeter. But my question just says, what is the perimeter of Charlie's second rectangle? Remember that the perimeter is where I add up all the sides. So I have 7 centimeters here. I have 6 plus 6 plus 6, so I have 18 centimeters here. And then I add up all 4 sides. So see if you can do that and tell what is the perimeter. Okay, so my perimeter is 50 centimeters. Okay, so Do Succeed, page 125, 126. Remember, if you don't know how to do that, you can look at the homework helper page, go back to the video, and don't forget to tear it out and put it in your homework bag. And here is a math joke for you today. Why was the math book sad? Okay, we'll talk about it tomorrow, and try not to look it up. Try to figure it out without looking it up. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.